You've got RJ Pearce here at Radio KSFM. Here we are in Auckland, New Zealand, sliding out of 2010 and into what is going to be 2011. As I look out from the studio, I can see crowds gathering for what will be a spectacular display on a scale never seen before here in New Zealand, courtesy of MrKim.com as he hovers high above the city in his helicopter. I can feel something very, very special is about to happen. There is a real sense of excitement in the air, and the sparkling lights are about to get a lot brighter. Here we go, count it down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!